sa inyo at maaari na po
Page, pakikuha.
pakibasa po ng ating direktor kung ano yung laman ng aking affidavit tungkol po doon sa lupang nakapangalan sa akin. Dahil nabasa ko po siya sa isang volume.
Kamukha mo, Alpadilla.
Ipimukin ninyo kung
Kamukha
ito yan o ibalik sa natin.
Layo naman, mas gwapo ko dyan.
Inaksyon ko na ho agad yung request nyo. Kaya ho, gusto ko lang hong marinig sanang mabasa yan ng ating direktor habang atin po yung ating secretary.
Lasado.
Oh, sa inyo to, kayo na po. Vice Mayor, kayo na po.
Ako na po ang
Opo. Tapos, pagkatapos yung basahin nito, yung testimony naman po ninyo, pupunta na tayo.
Ako ho ay gumawa ng deed of undertaking dahil nung mabasa ko ho yung inyong panawagan sa akin, dahil ito naman ho ay talagang nakapangalan sa akin, hindi akin, ayaw naman nilang i-claim na kanila. Kaya ho, dahil sa ako naman ang may-ari ng título niyan, based on record, ito ho yung aking sinasabi, I, Ernesto Mercado of Legal Age, resident of 23 Arellano Street, West Remo, Makati City, having been duly sworn in accordance with law, do hereby depose and state. Number 1, I am a witness in the Senate Blue Ribbon Subcommittee investigation involving the Makati Parking Building 2 and other anomalous transactions of the city government of Makati under the Binay family. Number 2, I allege that proceeds of the overpricing of the Makati Parking Building 2 funded the improvement of 350-hectare property in Rosario, Batangas, the Hacienda Binay. Mr. Antonio Chu of Samchamp Realty and Development Corporation claimed ownership of the developed portion of the Hacienda Binay covering an area of 150 hectares. Based on news report, I discovered that a portion of the Hacienda Binay within the 150-hectare claim by Antonio Chu is registered under my name. I then recalled that I was previously requested by former Mayor and now Vice President Kajamar Binay to sign document as his nominee to be able to acquire properties in the same area. The area registered under my name is covered by OCT number P-36756 with an area of 42,157 square meters. I have not previously executed any deed of conveyance covering the above-mentioned property to anyone at any time. As proof that I have no beneficial interest in the property registered under my name, and to rectify an injury caused to the interest of landless farmer, I am hereby voluntarily surrendering the said property to the Philippine government through the Department of Agrarian Reform for distribution under the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program. Number 8, I hereby undertake to comply with all the formalities required to effectuate the transfer of the property to the Philippine government, in witness whereof I hereby to affix my signature this 18th day of November 2014 at Makati City. Ito ho ay pinatutaryo ko kaninang umaga. Notarized po ito, kaya wala pong atrasan ito. So, sa harap po ng ating chairman, nung mabasa ko po yung inyong kahilingan, inaksyonan ko agad, at sa harap po ng secretary, pinatire over ko na po itong aking form statement. At kung meron po akong kailangan, yung mga dokumento, nakahanda po.
Sayang, isang palawa pinapili ko kayo eh. Kung i-donate nyo ba sa DAR o sa LGU? Sayang, wala si Mayor dito, so hindi nyo na-donate kay Mayor sa LGU.
Nagkaalala ko kasi baka hindi rin po magamit sa tamang purpose. Samantalang kung sa agrarian ko po ibibigay, nakakasigurado po tayong yung tunay na makikinabang dito ang makikinabang.
Is this, Mr. Secretary? Secretary, is this sufficient?